Hi everybody, this is Adam and today I am going to show you my plants in my house in Taiwan. As you know that I am a plant addict, so of course I have to add some plants into my new bedroom in Taiwan. So I am going to show you a quick tour of what I have here now. Just let you know because I'm not here all the time, so I can't get too many plants, otherwise no one's going to take care of them. So we are just going to jump straight into it because there's not many compared to my house in Australia. Okay, let's come over to this side. I have got this beautiful Monstera Addisonii that I love a lot. This plant is actually really cute. Yeah, it's really long. Also, the leaves are really huge, like, to be honest. I actually just put them in a plastic urn that I got from the flower markets, and it's pretty cute, and it's just like live in the sun that it gets from this, the window here. And so yeah, that is that. We're gonna move on to the next one because that's cute. It's doing its job. Okay. Alright, so as you know that I do collect a few rare plants in Australia. They're all very costly, obviously, because Australia is really far from anywhere else. But I'm in Taiwan, and we are in a tropical country, and we're closer to a lot of other tropical countries like Indonesia, Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand, all that stuff. So obviously the rare plants here are not as rare as we have in Australia. Also, the price are much more prettier. So I am going to show you this gigantic Thai constellation. Okay, girl, this one is only $80. Seriously, I got a baby one for $300 in Australia. That's ridiculous. But how pretty is this one? This is a new leaf that I got just before I left last time. That is such a beautiful leaf, and it's huge compared to my face. So cute. So yes, I love this one, and obviously I'm not here all the time, so this is sitting in a self-watering pot. So I only need to come back like every 1 or 2 months to water them, or I'll just tell my parents to water them. And yes, across to the side we have a few little addition of plants here. We have this little ivy just sitting here, cute little ivy. That is my videographer that is actually filming this video. Her name is Ivy too. This is my little ivy, and it's not doing very well, just like my videographer Ivy. Yes, she just she is having a broken heart at the moment, so oops. But anyway, this is sitting at this little vintage. Oh, give me a finger. Yes, so this is sitting on a little, what do you call this? A trunk that I got from a flea market. And also we have this cute little mini monstera. It's so weird because you actually can't find this one like that easy in Taiwan for some reason. But I found one that only has one little stamp in there. So that's really weird. Next to it, it's obviously our bigger Monstera deliciosa. I love this one. This one is a monster, just like its name. Just look at this aerial roots. Like, guys, aerial roots. That is crazy. So yeah, I got this one from the flower market as well for like $90. I don't know. Yeah, it's a bit expensive, but for a Monstera. But there's 3 stems in here, and it's also pretty big. And I didn't put this one in a self-watering pot, but I think I should. But Monstera, they do love to dry out, and they don't need as much water. So that is that. And now we're gonna go into the bathroom. Alright, welcome to my bathroom. Most of the expensive one and more exciting one are in the bathroom because plants love humidity. So let's come in. There are a few plants here that I actually enjoy quite a lot every time when I come to my bathroom. So yeah, we just start right here, alright? Because there are small little plants here. So here we have a little tiny anthurium. I have no idea what this one is, but it's cute. It's sitting in a self-watering pot as well. I actually made this little pot. It's cute too. I just spray painted, and it's kind of cute. And I have a little peperomia. I didn't know the actual name, but I know it's a peperomia. It's very resilient, I will say, because like when it first came back, it was kind of like dangling. But now it's getting better because like the leaf, you know, can you tell the stems get shorter, so that means it's getting less leggy. Yeah, so this one is pretty cute. I love it. I don't need to water as much like everything else in here. And guys, I have a new obsession for asparagus. Okay, this is such a beautiful asparagus. They're just so delicate looking little plants. Yeah, so I got this one and I just put it in this circular little ceramic pot that I think it looks really nice and really just, you know, looking really nice in this little corner. Okay, come over here. We have this leggy monkey tail cacti. Okay, this is so leggy. I don't even know what to do with it. Like, I don't know, guys. Should I chop it or something? Because like, it's very dangly. I don't know if I like it. But that's just what's happening here now. And I have my little polythene in the water because why not? And I have to show you this one, my favorite asparagus. Look at this one. Again, it's sitting in a self-watering pot, so it's doing quite well. A little bit yellow in there, but that's not bad. But can you tell, just look at these. That is so long. Like last time when I bought it, it was only this long. And it's only been 2 weeks. And it has been growing like this. I don't know what's happening there, but I actually really enjoy the structure of it. You know, it's like a vase, but it's asparagus in a vase. So it's different. It's cute. I love it. So yes, hopefully next time when I come back, all the leaves are gonna be growing on top of that 2 big little stems. Okay, so now we're gonna look at this corner here. Don't look at my feet. They're not painted. Okay, I have my little spider plant. Everybody needs a spider plant. Really good air purifier. And next to it, it's another monkey tail cacti. Okay, so this monkey tail cacti is actually connected to another cactus. I don't actually know what this one at the bottom is, but when I saw it, I was like, I need this. So yeah, I got it for about a really cheap price, like 50 bucks or something, from the flower market as well. And you can see all this new growth that actually just came out in the last 2 weeks when I was not around here. So that's something really cool, and I think it's just gonna keep growing because it's sitting in front of this big, gigantic windows that you will be seeing soon. All right, move on to here, next to my shower. Oh my god, the lights. Yes, next where we have this beautiful tiny little baby of Anthurium crystallinum, I believe. So this is the crystallinum. I got these from a secret place that I would not tell you or how I got these because I might get sued. But that's fine. You can tell there's some new little leaf that comes out from that while I was away. And again, this is sitting in a self-watering pot. I know self-watering pots are not good for plants, but I literally don't have choices. Okay, so just deal with it. They're doing fine for now. And I have this beautiful, what do you call this? I still can't pronounce that name, but you know what it is. I know what it is. So I got this from the flower market as well. It's really long. I have never seen one that is this long and bushy in Australia. So I am quite happy with my purchase because it was only $20. Guys, $20. There's a few leaves that is yellowing. That's very normal, just like our nails. You know, you have to cut your nails, you have to cut your hair. Again, I keep saying that because all of my friends that are new to plants, they keep asking me, is this okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? It's yellowing. Is it okay? Just do your research, okay? Alright, guys. Here we have a Philodendron mamai, whatever you want to call it. Again, I found it on a flower market. I think this one needs a bit of water. There's a bit of yellow in there and there, but you can tell it's the old leaves, so they are going to come off anyway. There's a new shoot coming up from there, so I'm not so worried about that. This one, yeah, it's really cheap as well. It's like $20. So, I mean, $20. And you spend like $90 for this in Australia. That's crazy. Yeah, sitting right next to it, we have another two monsteras. Obviously, one is the Monstera Andersonia. I don't know where to put it, so I literally just put it on the shelf and then just, you know, throw it, let it grow to the top. That's that. And next to it, we have our little Monstera Deliciosa. This one is doing really well as well. As you notice in the bathroom, and the humidity it's like 80% here, so it's actually loving it. I didn't put it in a self-watering pot, but as you know, they don't need that much water, so I just leave it there. Alright guys, so now we have the last part of this plant tour because there's only this many. Okay, so I can't do anything. So, the other day I found another Monstera Andersonii. That is very bushy, also just doing really well. And the leaves are actually, they're fairly big. I really enjoy it. Again, I put it in this plastic urn. I love this, okay? So extra. It matched my robe perfectly, okay? Alright, and now we have this tiny little Monstera Stanleyana. Yeah, Monstera Stanleyana. This one I got it from the flower market as well. It was really cheap as well, guys. Like, I found this in Australia. That's this size, probably a little bit longer. Got two more leaves, and for about $200. And this one was $15. So I don't know if I'm that excited about this rare plant anymore because they are so cheap here. Yes, it does have a little bit of the browning here, but you know, you expect that at the white part. But the new leaf is actually really pretty. As you can see, can you come closer? The new leaves is really pretty. So that is that. It's just gonna keep growing, and again, it's sitting in a self-watering pot. Alright, and last thing we have is this. Come closer. Is this beautiful Anthurium crystallinum, okay? So there are two in here, actually three, there's a baby there. I found it on the street and I just pluck it up and then put it here, and so it's sitting right here. But these two, there are two here. Guys, this is a new leaf that it actually came out before I left last time. It's such a big leaf and it's beautiful. Okay, now one thing I really have to tell you, because I was like shook to the hell, because I found these Anthurium crystallinum at this plant shop that near me, and it was $8 per plant. $8 Australian per crystallinum. That is crazy. So I got two, obviously. There were only two and I got two. It's crazy, like seriously, I paid $450 in Australia for one plant. That is probably this size. And I paid $16 for both of them. And this one, the new one is coming out with a new leaf. So next time I come back here, there will be another big leaf here, so I'm very excited. And this one is actually, yeah, it's doing okay. Yeah, the roots are growing, so that is fine. So yes, I love these plants, and I can't wait to get more. But if I get more, that means I have to come back to Taiwan more often, obviously. Otherwise, someone is going to take care of these. Alright guys, one last thing that you have to see in my room is this beautiful Monstera Deliciosa rock. Okay, I found it in a shop with half price. I was like, I'm taking it home, and it's perfect, sitting right in front of the window. Also just right in front of here. And so, wait, yes, alright, so thank you for joining me in my, alright, so thank you for joining me at my plant tour in my house in Taiwan, and I hope you enjoy it. Hopefully next time when I come back here, I can get more plants and update you guys and to show you how the plants are doing, because you know they are living in a really good condition. So hopefully they will grow really well and really bushy. And if you do like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to tell me what you want to see from me, obviously comment down below and subscribe and come back for more. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!